Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a keyframe in Canva. So let's get started. So while Canva doesn't really have a direct keyframe options, but there are some turnaround way how you can achieve that look. So what you're gonna do is like I have this map over here. So you're gonna copy it and then paste it right over here. And you can see I have added it this here. So I'm gonna make the duration a bit less for each of the pictures. Now you can see I have made the duration less. Now what you're gonna do is like I have this map over here and then this one is the same. So we can add a bit of repositioning to the image in order to add a keyframe look. So now you can see that I have added a slight movement, and just like that, you can continue to do so. You can keep on copying and make it a bit repositioned in order to achieve that keyframe look. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.